Hey everyone! Today we're making the creamiest chocolate pudding. It's super easy and tastes absolutely amazing. If you love chocolatey desserts, you're gonna love this one. So let's get started. Let's pour the milk into our pot. Now we're adding the sugar. Next, we're adding the flour to make it nice and creamy. Let's add the cornstarch. It helps the pudding thicken up perfectly. Finally, we're adding the cocoa powder. This is what gives our pudding that rich chocolate flavor. Now, let's gently whisk everything together. Keep stirring slowly so the flour and cornstarch dissolve completely and the mixture becomes smooth and lump-free. Now that everything is well mixed, let's pour the mixture into a saucepan on the stove. I'm turning on the stove and keeping it on low heat. We'll start stirring gently and patiently. This part is super important. Just keep mixing slowly so the pudding doesn't burn or get lumpy. After a few minutes, you'll notice the texture starting to change. Now, let's add the vanilla and give it a good stir. It adds such a nice aroma and brings all the flavors together. And now, for that extra rich chocolate flavor, we're adding some chocolate chips. Mix them in until they melt completely. Once the mixture starts to bubble, it's time to add the cream. Pour it in and give everything a good mix. This is what makes our pudding extra smooth and rich. And now our pudding mixture is ready. Now let's get our serving cups ready. Using a ladle, carefully pour the pudding into each cup, making sure the amount is about the same for all. This will be our first layer, so try to keep it nice and even. For the middle layer, we're using some cake crumbs that we had prepared earlier. Gently sprinkle them over the pudding to create our second layer. Now, for the final layer, we're adding the rest of our chocolate pudding. Gently pour it over the cake crumbs and spread it evenly so the top looks smooth and beautiful. For decoration, you can sprinkle some crushed almonds on top. They add a lovely crunch and make the dessert look even more delicious. And that's it! Our creamy, chocolatey pudding is ready, simple, quick, and absolutely delicious. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more sweet recipes, and I'll see you in the next video.